Good morning. I feel it is my duty to share with any area of legal battle, special acts prevailing in India even during colonial period and after independence, constitution's implementation. Still those acts are prevailing and what will be that subject, you must also know about that when it brought to my notice. One of the act is called uh, Parsi, Parsi Act. The Act, Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. That is 1936. Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. That act has been brought into force four capital cities: Madras, Bombay, Kolkata, and Delhi. Particularly in Bombay and Madras, Bombay and Kolkata and Delhi, lot of Parsis are there still. Entire Supreme Court, even many leading lawyers as well as signed judges of Supreme Court are from Parsi community, Nariman, so many, etc., etc. So I would like to, what this act says, I want to share with you. Here is the case which was fortunately very interpretedly brought to the full bench reference. Actually, the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act have empowered a special judge being appointed by Chief Justice of that particular court. Like that, Chief Metropolitan Court, Mumbai, Parsi Chief Metropolitan Court, Honorable G.S. Patel, was empowered in Bombay to deal with this case. While dealing with this case, an application was filed under Order 18 and Rule CPC 1908, which enables the court to appoint advocate commissioners to record evidence. That was challenged on the ground that since Parsi Act is a special act, that Parsi Act is having compulsory in-camera proceedings procedure. The challenge is saying that the allowing commissioners to record evidence may be violative of in-camera proceedings. So that was when it was prepared before division bench. The division bench referred to Supreme full bench. So AR 2025 Bombay 14. AR 2025 Bombay 14. Justice 3 judges. This case, this was Armin R. Patankale. Armin R. Patankale versus Rohinton Pantakale. Pantakale. Armin or Pantanke. The spelling is most important to get down the judgment. Pantaky. Pantaky. So they have deeply discussed about this act. That I would like to take you. This paragraph 17 of the judgment deals with the bringing this act into force. PMDA means Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. Then the section deals with section 18 to 29, how the matrimonial disputes are being adjudicated. Then they also they say there may be 5 delegates to aid the court for while except for interlocutory application, alimony and maintenance, custody and maintenance, education of children, all matters other than the regular hearing of cases. Then you see this chapter 3248 permits matrimonial suits, nullity, execution, divorce, restitution, alimony, maintenance and disposal of joint property. Section 32 grounds for divorce. Section 32B consent divorce by mutual consent. All these procedures were dealt under this act. So, and thereafter the full bench have clearly discussed about the recent amendment of CPC 2002, wherein the intention of the legislature that this any lacuna was there, the CPC should be come into force to implement a common procedure should be adopted all over India. That was the intention of the legislature while bringing this 2002 CPC amendment. This is also most important. They have also discussed some Supreme Court judgment. We want you can go to this. So this finally, that's what they say. This pursuance of 2002 amendment to CPC, in fact, all matters where there were no express or implied exclusionary provision, the CP governs the procedure in suits and proceedings in PMDA. This is the ratio held by that. Therefore, and read this judgment and keep your knowledge about Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act. I do not know when there is any possibility of Parsi Act being tried, and whether family court have got jurisdiction or so many things are there, and you must know about this act also. But you kindly, if anything a new question arises apart from special, if in any special act like Muslim Act, so many things, you can very well refer this ratio about 2002 CPC amendment, where CPC could be exercised, and particularly this Order 18, appointment of Advocate Commissioner to record evidence. It's a most vital subject. I think you could share it to your friends also. Best wishes. And the problem was, I would like to share this also. The other day, yet another agitation was conducted in front of Avin Paul. Some few group of lawyers were there under the leadership of prominent friend Marr6and. But unfortunately, we can't get any other information whether who are the advocates, what was the case, what was the rift between the police and this site of non-transparent agitations may not helpful either for the affected party or for our advocates' aim of exhibiting solidarity. It's all right, just wishes.